Good morning, children. Let us continue chapter number 7 Experiments with Water. When Aisha woke up in the morning, Ammi had fever. Abbu made some tea and went to give medicines to Ammi. He told Aisha, "You boil eggs. Also put some salt in the water." Aisha took water in a pot. By mistake, she put too much salt in the water. She saw that eggs at the bottom of the pot came up in a little and started to float in the water. Children, if we keep an egg in normal tap water, it will sink like this. But if we add some salt to the water, then the egg will come up to the top and float like this image. Now take some water in a glass. Put a lemon in it. Now keep putting salt in the water, half a spoon at a time. Were you able to float your lemon in water? Let us do this activity and find out why does it happens. Children, as you saw in the video, that when we add salt to the water, the lemon will not sink into the water and it will float. This happens because when we add salt to the water, density of water increases. Density means thickness. Thickness of the water increases and it pushes the lemon upward and it comes to the top. The same thing happened with the egg also. When Aisha put her egg into tap water, the egg sank, but when she added salt to the water became thick and pushed the egg upward and it came to the top. Now we will read about Dead Sea. As you know, all oceans and seas have salty water. This water is so much salty that you cannot drink it. The saltest of all sea is the Dead Sea. How salty? Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. It will be very much salty. If you taste this water, you will find that it is very bitter. Interestingly, even if a person does not know how to swim, he or she would not drown in this sea. she will float in water as if lying down on it. Remember the lemon you floated in the salty water. As you can see in this picture that these two girls are floating on water. They are not swimming but they are lying down on the water. They are floating on this water because density of the water of the sea is very much high. It means thickness is very much high. When these girls jumped into the sea, the water pushed them up and they came to the top of the sea.